Want to unlock your most radiant skin yet? Let's dive into an honest review of the True Beauty Glow device and see if it lives up to the hype. First, let's unbox. Inside, you'll find the device itself sleek and ergonomic. You also get a charging cable, typically USB, and a user manual. Read this before you start. Now, the device features a simple power button, usually on the handle. You'll also find intensity settings. Start low and work your way up. Some models offer different light settings, like red or blue light therapy. We'll cover those in a bit. Prep is key. Always start with a clean face. Then, apply your favorite serum or moisturizer. This helps the device glide smoothly and allows the active ingredients to penetrate deeper. Using gentle, upward and outward motions, massage the device across your face. Avoid the delicate eye area. Spend a few seconds on each area, focusing on fine lines or problem spots. If your device has light settings, experiment. Red light is great for anti-aging, blue light targets acne, and green light can help with pigmentation. But always follow the manufacturer's recommendations. Immediately after, you might notice a slight glow and improved product absorption. But the real magic happens with consistent use. After a week, I've seen a noticeable improvement in my skin's texture and overall radiance. Is it a miracle cure? No. But it's a definite boost to my skincare routine.